Yes, 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 we are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben, and welcome to my live stream. Today, we're going to talk about 4,300, okay, with Bitcoin. We're going to see 4,300. I'm going to talk about why I think it's possible, and we're going to answer some questions. Hopefully, we can make this a quick live stream. If you guys watching that replay, shout out to you guys. You can actually hit the settings, hit 1.5 or 2 to speed up the replay. So let's get into it. If you don't know who I am, my name is Big Ben. I am a professional day trader. This is what I do Monday through Friday. I day trade the financial markets and also swing trade crypto. So if you want to learn more about that, just hit that subscribe button, especially if you really don't understand the charts and don't understand how a guy like me or other people can actually make a living just only strictly trading the charts. So let's get to it. I don't know how many people is going to show up. It is a Sunday. Right now I'm in my backyard, so if you hear some noise, that's why. Okay, so let's basically go to CoinMarketCap and let's see if I see anybody here. What's going on, guys? Let me pop this out real quick. And actually, let me give you guys a round of applause soon. Just give me a second. So let's go to CoinMarketCap. Really nothing going on today. Of course it's the weekend, so I don't expect any crazy down move. But right now, the dominance, BTC dominance is at 54.6, which is it's kind of crazy because for some reason all these moon boys really is not paying attention to the dominance, and they're not paying attention to the numbers. Okay, the numbers don't lie. Dominance right now is actually rising, and if this really was a start of a bull market, it sure doesn't look like it number wise. All right. Bitcoin, still the dominance is still high. For it to be a real bull market, in my opinion, you will see the dominance go down slowly. Okay, why is the dominance rising when we are going up? Doesn't make any sense. Also, what doesn't make sense is why didn't we get a lot of volume at these lows, right? When we was going down. Okay, usually when they accumulate, you will see some volume coming in. We did get some volume right here from the breakout, but if you look at most of the volume, it came from this spike right here, which is actually not good, because most of your volume shouldn't come from the up move. It actually should come from this accumulation phase right here. And a lot of times this up move usually means they doing a last little buying just to unload and reverse the market. So you guys have to basically be careful and make sure that you don't be that guy that buys the top, because trust me, right now I'm getting a lot of emails right now. People are telling me, hey man, I'm down this amount, what should I do? Okay, and it's funny because I get emails and I get people on live stream telling me the same thing, and I'm like, how come you're down? And the reason why they are down is because they are buying the top. They are falling for the hype. Okay? And guys, listen, you will always fall for the hype if you don't have financial education. Right? You will always fall for it, because that's what people listen. How do you think the elites can control billions of people, right? Shout out to everybody that's here. Let me repeat that again. How do you think, guys? And the elites, these guys are not, they pretty much what? Not even, 2% of the population, right? How come these guys are able to control billions of people? Just think about that for a second. They are able to do that because they know more than you, and they keep their general public uneducated, right? Put it like this. Let me give you an example. I'm quite sure it's very easy to manipulate a 5-year-old, a 10-year-old, because a 5-year-old and a 10-year-old, they don't have the knowledge, right? They don't have the education. They don't have experience. So you can tell them anything and they will believe it for the most part, right? Well, the same thing goes if you don't have education in a certain area, okay, of your life. You will be that 5-year-old. You will be that 10-year-old that's always being lied to, always finding out, these guys are screwing you over. And the reason why you're getting screwed over is because you don't have enough education to realize this is all a joke until it's too late. So why do you want to be that guy? Why do you want to be that guy? Okay. On the other side, basically losing your life savings just because you don't have the right education. It doesn't make any sense to me. The amount of emails I'm getting is crazy. So for all you guys that think this is a bull market, just be careful, because if you just scroll back, I mean the macro view is telling us we're still in a bear market, and the bear market is alive. So just be careful, guys. Another thing, right? Another thing is we have the altcoins, right? Pretty much doing the opposite of what Bitcoin is doing. And I told you guys before on my last live stream, the altcoins are the leading indicators, right? These guys lead the market, right? Especially in the bear market, they lead it. So right now they are leading, and they telling us something that Bitcoin is not telling us. Okay, Bitcoin is actually holding the gains, nicely right now, but these altcoins are selling off slowly but slowly. I mean, slowly. So right now we have Litecoin going down pretty much. What I would say, this is pretty much 85%. So it pretty much retraced 85% of this big spike. We have Ethereum, okay, retraced pretty much 90% of this big pop. So these altcoins are telling us, is this really a bull market, or are we being fooled, and all these guys tricking us, and are we going to see that next leg down? Okay, and I want you guys to understand that it's a strong possibility we will see the next leg down. Now, shout out to everybody here. Shout out to everybody that's here. Okay. Why do I think Bitcoin will go to 4,300? Well, if you look at, like I said before, if you look at these altcoins, right, and these altcoins to me are leading the bear market. Basically, they retrace pretty much 90% of this big move, right? So if they retrace 90% of this big move, 90 to 85% of the big move, let's go to Bitcoin, okay? If Bitcoin retrace and follows these altcoins, which I believe it will, all right? If it follows these altcoins and retrace 90%, we're talking about it can easily go to 4,300. Easily go to 4,300. Now, if it goes to 4,300, most likely we're going to test the breakout of this, which is around 4,200, okay? So be careful. I know a lot of people are going to try to buy these, continue to buy. Honestly, I'm receiving a lot of emails of people telling me, hey man, I'm down. What should I do? And I'm like, you're down? What do you mean you're down? You must bought right here. Did you buy at the top? And this guys, this is what happens with when people don't have the right education. They buy at the top. Why are you buying at the top? Because you feel like you are going to get left behind, right? It's the same reason why people bought at 18,000 or 19,000. They was like, man, this thing is going up. I don't want to, I don't want this thing to leave me, so I'm gonna buy it. Okay, and you buying at the top. So most rookies, they buy at the top and sell at the bottom. Okay, so let's go to the questions. If you guys have any questions, let me give you guys a round of applause real quick. And let's go from there. What's going on, V? Sing, what's going on, man? TP dollar signs, Hoofalong, Ron, Flex, Colin. What's going on, guys? Good to see you guys here. All right. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Most likely it's going to be a quick live stream. I just came out here to give you guys my thoughts. But overall, I'm glad to see you guys on a Sunday, and hope you guys had a good weekend. And if you guys have any questions, let me know, especially if you're new to the channel. Hit that subscribe button. But if you have any questions, let me know. Let me see if I see any questions so far. What do you believe the bottom of BTC is? Well, no one knows the bottom. I don't know the bottom. I believe we will continue to go down. Okay. And the reason why I'm saying that is because, there's multiple reasons why, but one of the reasons why is because we are still in the bear market. So I always expect new lows. And also, I believe some of these altcoins are overvalued. So most likely they are going to continue to go down. Now, how far do I think Bitcoin could go? It could go all the way down to 1,000 and below. So that's how brutal the bear market can actually, that's how brutal the bear market can be. So you have to be careful. Let's see if I see any more questions here. Going on, Colin, Flex, Muhammad, what's going on? David said, what's going on? This is Tony from prison. I haven't seen you for some time. Okay, man, what's going on, bro? He said, but I'm back. Good to see you. What's going on, bro? So David, David said he's in prison right now watching my live stream. So if that's true, man, shout out to you, bro. Keep your head up. Let me see. Society doesn't want us to win. Yeah, I know, man. That's why you guys really have to understand that once crypto became mainstream media, it basically changed everything. All right, and this is why I'm trying to help you guys, because I know some of you guys don't understand what I'm trying to say. You're always trying to, because most rookies always trying to think positive because they don't have education. All right, they don't have the right education, so that's the only thing they can do is think positive and hope. What I'm basically trying to tell you guys is the reason why crypto was able to last 10 years, right, and go up that much is because it really wasn't mainstream, or it was really under the radar. Okay, actually not last year, but 2017 was the year that it was finally not under, not on, under the radar, and basically a lot of people, okay, especially, when you have my mother calling me up and say, "Hey man, you heard about Bitcoin?" Okay, if the older generation, right, the baby boom is telling us, or asking us about Bitcoin, that's how uh, this is like almost about to slow down. Okay, so right now, since this is not since crypto is not really underground anymore, I I definitely expect price to slow down a lot. All right, I don't expect price to continue to go up crazy like we saw in the past. Okay, these type of gains was probably one in a lifetime type of thing, and if you didn't take advantage of it, then so be it. But at the same time, most people think that this is going to go on forever. All right, and those are the same guys that are so lazy. They are so lazy, and that's why they think like that, because they don't want to put in the work. And they will always say, "Hey man, what about that guy that bought Bitcoin at the bottom?" Okay, what about him? All right, it was right place, right time, and that's it. What about him? Okay, well, what about the guy that you know got lucky buying the lotto or whatever? So you don't have people in general in this world. They're gonna get lucky here and there. Doesn't mean that it's going to happen again and again and again and again, right? So the next thing, for you guys to do is, how can you actually benefit from this? Okay, since me personally, I don't think this is going to have a crazy bull run that we saw in the past. How can you benefit from crypto? Well, you have to understand how the price works. You have to understand how to swing trade and take advantage of the small movements. Okay, see, the market moves in waves, right? So if the market goes up, down, up, down, up, down, that's what you need to take advantage of, the movement. Okay, not I'm gonna sit and wait and hope, wish the things go up. Okay, that's why a lot of people are emailing me and say, "Hey man, I'm down." Because you're down because you don't understand price. You just buying just because of hype. All right. So shout out to everybody that's here, man. I appreciate you guys. So David said, what do you think about Encash? I lost my butt on it. Basically, how long ago you lost your butt? Was this recently? And what do I think about it? Well, I don't think nothing about anything right now, okay, when it comes to cryptocurrencies, because we are still in the bear market, right? So I think nothing is a good buy in the cryptocurrencies. It's only a good buy temporarily. So basically, you can trade the up moves temporarily, right? Take your profits. That's the key word. Take profits, right? Keywords. Take profits, and that's about it. But actually holding it and thinking we're gonna moon up tomorrow. Good luck with that. Thanks. I'm hoping for a 1800 BTC. So why are you hoping for 1800? Let me ask you that. What I think, what's going on, V? He said, what I think about Tesla. Well, Tesla, actually, I didn't realize it until actually I think yesterday I saw it. Tesla, we had a big drop, and I don't think it's going to drop straight down. I think we're going to have some bounces, so we can bounce soon from this. It's going to most likely eventually it's going to continue to go down. Most likely it's going to probably go down in the 100s. So I wouldn't be surprised if Tesla hit like 190. But I don't think it's going to do it soon. We're probably going to get a bounce soon. But overall, Tesla is overhyped anyway. I mean, let's keep it real. Tesla is just, and most of these companies are just machines that are running on life support. Okay, the reason why they're running because they had a lot of investors invest in the company, but all that stuff is going to slow down. It's slowing down right now. Okay, investors are actually being cautious right now, and they're not really trying to invest in these companies, especially if they're not putting out profits. So Tesla right now is just it's the reason why it's holding up so good is because the whole stock market is a lie, right? The whole stock market is a lie. So you got companies like Tesla can actually be at 200 or be at $300 without even making profits. That's crazy. That's because the whole stock market is a lie. I told you, it's all everything is a game. Okay, even cryptocurrencies is just a game, bro. Like really, if you really want to be technical, cryptocurrencies really don't have any value. A lot of these stocks out here they don't have value. Everything is just hyped and lying. Okay, and eventually everything will just crash anyway. So that's why most people will always lose, because they are not prepared for the bad times. And that's what I'm trying to do, help you guys prepare for the bad times. But I think some of you guys have to lose in order for you guys to understand what I'm talking about, because some of you guys are really not experienced, and you just, everything you do is based on hope. You say you're going to be how you sell, man. Shout out to you, David. Ben, do you think this bear market could last 8 years, man? Yeah, man. It could last 8 years. It could last 10 years, right? That's how bear markets, work. So, you can't really be excited when you see an up move, unless the up move prove to you that is legit. So far, Bitcoin really didn't prove anything. It just went up. Okay, it's still stuck at these key levels, and this could actually be the ultimate top if we don't see more buying. If we don't see buying, this could be the ultimate top. Okay, or we can actually push up one more time, which is possible, but this could actually be the ultimate top. I have to see how they want to play this out this week coming. This week, let me see here. Shout out to Golden Arm, gave me 589. He said, "What's up, Big Kid Net?" What's going on, Rufus? What's going on, Swazza? What's going on, guys? Good to see you guys here. I hope you guys are good. Ben, what are a couple of ways to prepare for a recession? Learn to trade. First of all, the recession, to prepare for it is, the only way to prepare for a recession is basically daily. Okay, just work on your skills daily. So basically, what I would say is don't even focus on a recession, because once you get good at swing trading and day trading, it doesn't matter when the recession comes. You will benefit from it, because it's going to be the same. Okay, especially when trading the markets. And basically, when the recession happens and the market starts to crash, you can benefit from that by, you know, these large swings that we get in the market. So the only way to benefit it is just, you know, sharpen up your skills. So when that recession comes, you know, you can make a lot of money. Shout out to Golden On, man, giving me that super chat. So you said I'm hoping for 1800 because the previous bear market bottom was previous bull market all-time highs. You said you feel comfortable going all in. Honestly, I don't like those words. Going all in. That doesn't sound right. That doesn't, you know, it doesn't sound right. So I hope anybody that's listening to my live stream is basically not taking your advice. Of course, during this live stream, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. This is entertainment only. Okay, but going all in at a specific level is not a good thing. Tesla lose money every quarter. They might be the worst investment in worse than investing in Bitcoin. Yeah, a lot of hopium, man. Yeah, man, I see you this week, man. Swazza, what's going on, bro? I see you guys this week. You said what I think about Facebook? Facebook gapped up. Okay, let me see here. So most likely, we at this left shoulder right here. But if the market continue to go up, most likely Tesla will see new highs, maybe to 220. Okay, based on the market, because the market right now it looks real strong, and it looks like the market definitely looks like it wants to at least break to the high, you know, go up to this high right here. Okay, so I'm waiting for a new high. We actually got a new high with the Nasdaq. We got a new high on the Nasdaq, so I'm waiting for a new high on the S&P 500. So Facebook might follow that. So, but eventually, sellers will come in. It's just what it is. But you don't really want to fight the trend right now. Would I buy Facebook? No, because you know, sellers could come in any moment, but most likely it's probably going to make a new high. What's going on, AZ, man? It's all a game, part of the rig. Yeah, man, reality, yep. The real trick is not being manipulated. Exactly. What's your thoughts on the SPS? We're gonna most likely make new highs, man. You know, it's just what it is. Don't fight the trend. Don't fight the trend. So right now, guys, again, expect new lows when it comes to Bitcoin. If it's not going to happen this week, most likely it's going to happen in May. We might have a sell-off in May. So I definitely expect something. I don't think it has enough legs to basically have another green week. But we will see. We will see. So pretty much I'm done with the live chat. If you guys have any more questions, let me know. If you basically stuck, don't know how to make money with the crypto or day trading, I day trade the futures market, come join me, okay? Come get the course. I will help you with your first 5 trades, right? I review your first 5 trades, and also you will get access to the private Discord with me and my traders, and also you get to see the strategies that I use to trade full time. This also comes with the crypto course too, so check that out. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Let me see if I see any questions that I missed before I get out of here. Zuckerberg is just a paid front man, bro. Yeah, man. Like, Zuckerberg is a paid front man. These presidents are paid front man. The real dogs, the real big dogs, you don't see them. They don't come on TV. They will never be posted or listed in Forbes. Okay, these guys have way more money than whoever's put like this. Whoever's number one in Forbes right now, they got way more money than that guy. So these guys are private. They don't care about Forbes. All they want to do is control. So yeah, the real big dogs, you won't see them on TV. You won't hear about them. That's why I'm trying to tell you guys, this is all a game. Most of you guys won't believe me anyway, so I don't really care. But this is all a game, man. So once you realize it's all a game, you gotta really play the same game they're playing. Okay. Once you understand that, once you can understand this is all a game, and you have to play the same game these guys are playing, then things will click and you will start making more money. Okay. You can't treat this like a marriage. Most of you guys are treating this like a marriage where you fall in love with your favorite stock or coin. Man, all this stuff is a game, bro. Okay. Stocks go up, stocks go down. Coins go up, coins go down. Once you understand that, then you understand, hey man, instead of getting married to a position, waiting, and basically slaving myself, I'm going to find out how can I actually make consistent money, because that's the name of the game. If you don't know how to make consistent money, then you're doing something wrong. If you're just a guy that's buying, okay, just because you feel like things are going to go up, bro, you're in the wrong game. You're the reason why these guys are able to own yachts and fancy cars, is because you the guy that's buying up all the hype. Okay. You think Bitcoin will be falling a couple handle? I'm not too sure, man. I think that Bitcoin most likely will follow the altcoins. If you look at the altcoins right now, they dropped at least 90 to 80%. They retraced this big up move at least 80 to 90%. All right. And I'm quite sure you don't hear this anywhere else. You just hear them on my channel, because I don't hear nobody talk about this. The altcoins are leading indicators. All right, the altcoins are leading indicators. They lead the bear market. They've been leading the bear market since day one. So if the altcoins retrace pretty much 80%, 80 to 90% of this big up move, most likely Bitcoin will do the same thing. Right? Let me see here. What's going on, Crypto Slice of Life, man? Shout out to you. Swazza said 100% they exist. Yes, man, they in the shadows, bro. Who Flunk said I highly recommend business course. Shout out to you. He's actually one of my students. We are all pawns in the game. Yeah, man. Like I said, it's all a game. And once you can understand it's all a game, then you can play life a little bit. You you can play life differently and understand that you know, these guys are always trying to lie to you with a straight face. They put on a nice little suit, right? They put on a nice little suit. They use big words. They sound very, you know, educated, just to trick you. Nothing, yeah, exactly. Nothing new is pretty much new under the sun. All right, this has been going on for beginning of time. It's just how life works. You know what it is? A lot of people, especially nowadays, since we have the internet, a lot of people are wrapped or basically are so hooked, and I guess I'm trying to figure out the word I'm trying to use. They basically so tuned into what's going on Instagram, Facebook, you know, entertainment, but they don't really realize, you know, this is not how life is supposed to be. Do you use support and resistance to trade? Do you use oscillators? So I use support and resistance because support and resistance is actually is based on price. So yes, I use support and resistance. Do I use oscillators? No, I don't use RSI. I don't use MACD. I don't really care about any, because honestly they are lagging to me, so I don't use them. Especially when I day trade it doesn't even matter. Okay, now I noticed that indicators, if you really want to use them, they probably work best on like the daily time frame. But other than that, I wouldn't even use them. Okay, even on a daily time frame, I wouldn't even use them, because if you just rely on that, you're not going to understand what's really going on. Okay, you have to understand price, because what I'm trying to say is most of you guys probably was buying right here at 6,000 just because your RSI told you we was overbought or oversold. I mean, and you have to understand, oversold doesn't mean that we can't continue to go down. Like, so that's why you really have to understand price. Okay, an oversold RSI or a MACD doesn't mean anything. Actually, you know, we can continue to keep going down. So let me see here. Show them if they don't believe this. Yeah, that's a stock. Let's look at the stock. Look at this HMNY. Okay, look how crazy this dropped. All right, dropped like a rock, and this could happen to any coin, any stock, any you know, anything, right? We just continue to keep dropping. This is why, like I said, I don't really care about falling in love with stocks or coins, because anything can happen. What's going on, Edward? I can see ETH getting pumped, though, over the next 44 hours. It would push up Bitcoin. Yeah, I mean, like I said, Bitcoin can make another high, but that doesn't mean anything. Okay, eventually Bitcoin will sell off. Okay. Or at least do a pullback. Bitcoin is not going to go like this. Let me show you. Bitcoin is not going to do this. All right. We will see pullbacks. It's just a matter of time. And my question is, do you want to be that guy that's buying the top? because a lot of people email me already, and they bought the top right here, and they down a lot. Exactly, man. They want slaves to walk, waking up. Right now, it's funny because most people don't understand. We all are slaves, okay? And they doing it the smart way now. They're not using force. They're using mind tricks. Let me see here. Training and learning to read the charts is the way out. Yes, man. Shout out to you, Swaz. What stock is that? Oh, that was HMNY. Ben, I'm still new to learning trading. Do you recommend I trade with the pattern formation, support, and resistance? Do you recommend I trade with pattern formations or support and resistance? No, I recommend you educate yourself, because if you just focus on one pattern or focus on support and resistance, that's not enough. Okay, you need more education. Just think about it. If it was just that easy, everybody would be making money. So you need more education. You just need education. I don't care where you get your education at. I mean, I don't care where you get your education from. Just get it. All right. But overall, support and resistance is important. All right. And knowing the trend is important. Knowing, everything is important. Do you have an opinion on the blockchain technology itself? Well, the blockchain is, a good technology, but, overall, blockchain and Bitcoin is really not the same. Okay, blockchain is good, but some people will argue that that's the reason why Bitcoin, well, I won't say big. They would say that Bitcoin is not valuable. The blockchain is valuable, right? And right now, Bitcoin is still at this, at the early stages where it's, in my opinion, is not valuable yet, because it really hasn't proven that it's sustainable and it can actually work as a currency. Okay, so most people, like I said, this guys, man, I know some of you guys don't want to hear this, but all this stuff is hype, man. You can get hype all you want. You can be that guy that eat all the hype and eat all the hopes and dreams. That's you. The way I would do it is basically say, forget about hopes and dreams. How can I make money from this market now? Right? How can I do this? How can I be consistent with this? Not how can I fall in love with this? Okay? Falling in love with something doesn't make you any money. Ask the people that bought at the top. Ben, I trade on my phone. Is there a good chart site that I can use for free? You said a good chart site. Right now, I'm using TradingView. Okay, TradingView. That's a good chart. You can look at charts and for free. Okay, so TradingView.com. Can we see another swing up and on BTC before it dropped. Yeah, so we can see another swing up. Yes, that's definitely possible. Bitcoin always can do another swing up. Okay, but at the same time, I do expect it to follow the altcoins and probably drop right at that 43 or lower. And it might be next month. It might be May. May might be the month where they decide to sell it. If it's not May, most likely June. We'll see. Ben has the formulas to put money in your account daily. Shout out to you, Swaz. You said you're basically, you said you're studying pattern formations now. I might make trades based on the 3D RSI at first. I just want to survive in this bear market. Honestly, man, the best thing I can tell you to do is you can get one of my courses. The best thing to get is this course right here, because if you're just relying on indicators, man, I don't want you to lose your money, bro. So check out that course. It comes with the crypto course, okay? But overall, what I would tell you, even if you don't get my course, what I would tell you is demo account, man. Demo account. Use a demo account. Don't go live. Okay, test this thing out. Back test it. Okay, don't just jump in just because it looks good. Ask Ben, bro. He will tell you it's all about price. Yeah, it's all about price, man. I don't use no indicators. All these YouTubers except Ben make me wonder FOMO. I mean, think about that for a second. If all YouTubers want you to FOMO, right? I can guarantee you every single one of those YouTubers are down 80, 70%, 80%. Right? Those, and think about it, those are the guys that are down. Why would you want to listen to a guy that's down and losing money? He has a losing track record. Why do you want to listen to a person that has a losing track record? But for some reason in the crypto market, that's that's the new thing. Being wrong is actually the new right. What do you think about trading Bitcoin futures or futures during this time market open? I mean, I don't like to day trade Bitcoin because it's much slower during the day. So there's other markets out here that's way better than Bitcoin when it comes to day trading. So I don't really care about Bitcoin futures. The way I would trade Bitcoin would be a swing trade, but not day trading. David said, thanks for the help. Yeah, no problem, bro. Do you do midterm swings or just day trades? I do both. All right. That's why this course is very important. I told you guys this before. This course will show you swing trades and day trading. All right. Where can I get a crypto demo account? You said, where can I get a crypto demo account? You can go to Hugo Sway. Most of the time, YouTubers are snakes with hidden agendas. Business unique as he is 100% honest, man. Thanks for the kind words, Swaz. I appreciate it. Honestly, I really don't know, no other way. This is who I am, so I really don't know no other way, bro. I recently learned about 60-day cycle. Man, listen, bro. If you want to trade and make money, okay, come join the team. Forget about what you heard, what you learned. All right, most of the stuff that's on YouTube or the internet is whack. Okay, all right. It is what it is. Ben, are you long-term bullish or bearish on Bitcoin? I'm bearish on Bitcoin because so far Bitcoin basically is not giving me confirmation that it wants to go up. So every pullback in the bear market, I always expect it to go lower and lower and lower. TLRY We Stock did a big connect. Let me check this. Let me check this out. Oh man, yeah, man, drop it. You know, this is people bought at the top. They bought at 287, and the stock is at 5,300. Okay, this is why me personally, this is why I don't get married to stocks. All right. Imagine playing the swings, all right? Once you understand how to play the swings, you can live better, you know, be less stressful, and make more money. Ben and Swazer are speaking the truth. I bought his course and learned it, and already made my money. Already made back the money I spent for Ben's course plus some. You see. Actually, let me give him that bone. And he's not the only one, man. He's not the only one. And you know, but like I said, most people are not going to listen. Most people want to use RSIs and MACDs. And think they can learn one tip or trick from a YouTube video and start making millions. Come on, bro. Let me see here. Let me get out of here. I'm about to probably read a couple more videos. Comments and get out of here. Yeah, thanks, man. Some YouTuber I went to. You said went from 3K to 165 in cash. Man, that's crazy, bro. Sheesh. Shout out to you, David, man. Shout out to you, man. Your golden arm is funny, bro. Shout out to golden arm. Oh man, golden arm always make me laugh, bro. Always make me laugh. Shout out to him, man, and giving me that super chat too. But guys, I'm about to get out of here. I hope you guys have a great weekend and continue to have a great weekend. And I don't know next time I do a live stream, but I'm probably going to start doing more videos about day trading because this crypto world, okay, you can make money from it, but some of the people that are invested in crypto world, some of these guys don't get it. So I'll probably start making more day trading videos. Hope you guys are, ready to step up your game. Talk to you guys later. I see all my traders. I will see all my traders tomorrow in the day trading room. And that's about it. Oh, what's going on, Sweaty? He said, your course is worth more than any money could ever buy. Thank you, man. Shout out to you, bro. I appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Thanks for the kind words, man. So as I said, the lies in the world are easy. Yes, man. It's definitely. So I can lie. Okay, I can lie, and and I will have a lot more followers. But the truth is harder. Okay? It's hard, but it is what it is. At least I can sleep at night. All right. Talk to you guys later, guys, and I hope you guys have a great night. If you guys have any questions, you can email me. Hope you guys, are practicing and trying to gain skills so you can earn, consistent money from the markets. Talk to you guys later, and have a great night, guys. Please have a great night.